Hi, today I'm going to introduce the Quizzes and Assignments modules. This module allows you to prepare and save a bank of quizzes and to assign them to students as needed. Quizzes are sent to students and returned to you, all on the Classoos interface. I'm going to start on my home page and go to Quizzes. As you can see, I have a bank of quizzes that I've already prepared. I'll get back to that later. I'm going to start a new quiz now. In the first stage of the quiz, I'm going to fill in all of the quiz identifiers. Once I finish with that, I go on to preparing the questionnaire, and I have two kinds of questions to choose from, multiple choice or open question. So I'm going to start with multiple choice. I'm going to fill in the parameters and mark the correct answer, so grading can be done automatically. Save and go on to the next one. Again, another multiple choice. Again, marking the correct answer. Here, I'm going to keep my students engaged by adding rich media to the question. I'm going to choose an image. Save and go on to the next one. Now I'm going to prepare an open-end question. As you can see, it's very easy to add different types of rich media to enhance the quiz. I'm now going to add a short video. And now I'm done preparing the questions. I can now change the order of the questions and their grades. I'll give the open-end question more points, and the other questions will change accordingly. I can now preview the quiz to see how my students will see it. It is now time to share the quiz with students. There are two types of assignments that require submitting and feedback from you, whereas self-practice will not be reviewed. Fill in all the parameters and send to the group. Now I'm going to hop over to see how my students see the assignment. He has received a message on his app, so he knows he has an assignment to do. From his home page, I go to Assignments and start the quiz. You can see the pictures and videos that we've used, and the way rich media adds another level of depth to your students' experience. I answer the quiz and submit. Now let's jump back to the teacher's point of view. I go to Assignments, choose the quiz, and start grading. Multiple choice questions have been graded automatically, so I can jump to the open-end question. I add my comments and grade and go to Summary. I have a dashboard of the student's grade for each question, and I can add feedback for the entire quiz. I have a dashboard detailing all of the grades that were submitted for the entire class. Now, just to finish the cycle, I'm going to jump back to my student. Again, he's received a message, so he knows to take a look. This time, he's going to go to Assignments, Feedback, and open the specific quiz. He sees the teacher's feedback and his grade. In the beginning of this tutorial, I spoke of the bank of quizzes that I have. Let's go back there. As you can see, I have the share icon on my quizzes, so I can reuse them and prepare assignments when necessary. So that's the quizzes and assignment module. I hope this tutorial was useful.